URLs are shared in the broadcast. Please put it in the groups. Please put it in post it in the groups. If you're not able to copy paste it. So everybody understood? Today we discuss screenshot, alert pop-up, hidden division. Okay, remaining we will do it tomorrow. Okay, remaining we'll do it tomorrow. Everybody understood? Everybody understood? Code is pushed. Yes, Abhinav, please tell me what is your doubt? Hello, Abhinav, please tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. I have doubt about screenshot on third and fourth step.
Third and fourth step. Tell me what happened.
Can you explain that one more time?
One second. See here. When you call the method, photo will be taken. Okay? When you call this method, photo will be taken. Location, correct? Now I cannot open my RAM and I cannot see where is the photo, isn't it?
Yes.
I cannot open my RAM and I cannot see where is my photo is, correct, right? Now, I have to give a location to store my photo. Okay, I have to give one location to store my photo. So this is a location I've given. Okay, this is a location. So instead of writing Selenium Automation 1, that indicates dot. Dot indicates is a shortcut for project. Okay, dot indicates it's a shortcut for project. Selenium Automation 1 / name. We have to give a name for that. Okay, I've given this Amazon. Extension is .png. That's the reason when the photo is taken, it will be Amazon.extension will be PNG. Clear?
We can
Line
give
number
on
this one.
We can give on desktop also.
Yeah, you can keep it wherever you want. You can give that location. Whichever location you give, it will go and store it in that particular location.
So dot will be location for this one, desktop also.
Right click properties, copy the path and give this. Yes, you have to copy the path, whichever location you want, you can store. But in the real time, we have to keep that photos in an organized fashion. So we will not, you can keep, I'm not telling you cannot, but we will not keep it in the desktop or C drive, D drive. We don't keep that things because maintenance will be difficult. Now, for example, I want to see the screenshot of the field test cases. I cannot go to somewhere in the desktop. I cannot go somewhere else and I cannot see that. Correct, right? Everything will be there. Everything should be there in the project itself. Everything should be there in the project itself. So we are going to maintain it in the project. Okay. Now, already I want to store it in this location. This is my location where I've given where it should come and store. Okay, but we should copy paste it. Okay, because it is already there in the RAM. Somebody should copy paste it from RAM to the whichever location we wanted. That job is done by fileutils.copy file. I'm copying the photo which is captured in the RAM and I'm pasting into my required location.
So how this one will become file utils?
File utils is a class. How it will come means? I don't understand your question.
We need to write here. We need to come on that one. You told me that one comes from Maven project.
Not Maven project. This belongs to Apache Commons.io. This class belongs to, I didn't tell Maven project. I told this class belongs to Apache Commons.io. If you have downloaded Apache Commons.io only, you can access this class. Else you cannot touch this. You cannot access this class.
Okay, thanks. And I have doubt about that one also. 1 minute.
Which one?
Ma'am, I have a doubt regarding a scroll bar.
Hmm.
Ma'am, how can we
Tell me.
handle one screen having two scroll bar in y-axis, and suppose in this Selenium browser we having scroll in side section also, then how can we handle this scroll bar?
Can you tell me where Selenium? Which page?
Ma'am, this screen also just,
Which screen? Tell me the
ma'am,
URL.
okay, wait, I'm sending.
Tell me. Don't send me anything. Tell me the application.
Snapdeal. I have used the Snapdeal. So in the y-axis and x-axis, I can see a scroll bar.
Let me go to Snapdeal. Where is this?
Can you just scroll down a little bit? Okay, there you can see there that right arrow.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a scroll.
This is not scroll. It is not scrolling. Here we have to just clicking on it. Here. What is an action we are doing? Listen. Here I need to click on it. When I click on it, it is scrolling. So this action is click here, not JavaScript executor. When I click on it, it is scrolling automatically. The action is click here, not scrolling. Scrolling means if I do like this, if I take my cursor and move, then only it will scroll. So this is your scroll. This is your scroll. This is your scroll. This
Okay,
is your
here.
click.
Okay, then here one click moves little bit. So if I want to double click, I have to write the code 2 times.
No double click. You have to put a loop and you have to do how many looping statement for loop.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, looping statements.
Ma'am, I have doubt about frame.
Tell me, man, what frame?
Can you open Twitter account, twitter.com?
If I want you to go inside, you have to give me your username and password. If I want me to go inside, you have to give me the credentials. Yes.
When I click on sign in with Google,
Where is it? Sign in with the Google. Okay.
then no such frame exception coming, ma'am.
Because it is not a frame. We have written a code for a frame. It's a reason it is coming no such a this one. It is not a frame.
1 minute, ma'am.
It is not a frame. See here. It is not a frame. I guess you have written the code to switch the frame.
One second, ma'am.
Next person.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I am not able to download any notes from GitHub, ma'am.
Everybody.
It's only-
how many? You only view it. That's all.
No, ma'am. Notes, ma'am. Not code.
No,
It's
click on view.
not visible to me.
You open the file.
Yes, ma'am. I clicked on raw and download also, ma'am.
It should download me. Open it. Search in a different browser.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I sent it the URL and user ID and password. I am facing in y-axis. I having two scroll, but I'm not able to access the second scroll. Can you please explain how to handle both scroll?
No, email is invalid. It is telling.
Ma'am, can you put v admin v? Yes.
It's not logging in.
What
Give
happened?
me your email address, prop.
From my side, it is login. I'm able to log in. Can you remove
How I'm
one? Ma'am, please remove V from admin@vinfotech.com.
No, ma. Give me proper email address.
Excuse me, ma'am. This side Abhinav.
Mm.
Can you go on Twitter account?
Mm.
When I click on, right click on sign in with Google.
Mm.
Right click. This one is frame, ma'am.
Yeah, this is a frame. Correct. You have to
Yeah,
switch
but
to the
this
frame.
one-
You have to. One second. You have to switch the frame only to click on sign in with Google. You have to switch to the frame only to click sign in with the Google. If you wanted to click on only that, you have to click. You have to switch the frame. For example, if you want to sign with the Apple,
Hmm.
then you cannot switch the frame because this is a normal click. This is not a frame. Only
Yeah,
this
this is not a
box is
frame.
acting like. Yes, this is not a frame. Where is this icon? Frame. Frame.
But this one is frame,
This is not
ma'am.
a frame.
Sign in with Google is frame.
You sign in with this Google with a frame. So if you want
But
to
I
click
have
on
right-
sign in with the Google, well,
I have
listen,
written.
man. If you wanted to click on sign in Google, then only you have to switch the frame and click on sign with the Google.
I have written program, but this one is not clicking on this one. This exception is coming.
What exception?
No frame exception coming. No such frame exception.
Give little bit delay, man. Give little bit delay, and write it down. Use thread.slip.
Okay, I will check.
Use
Then I
little
will.
bit use thread.slip and use it. Still, you're facing issue. We'll discuss it tomorrow.
And one more doubt. When I clear ICICIbank.com, you told me right click and inspect for this one. For username.
Wait. ICICI.com. Okay.
Bank.com. ICICIbank.com.
Bank. Okay. Bank.com. What should
You
I do
told
here?
me on such bank cases, right click is not applicable. And when I
Why right
inspect
click is applicable?
for login.
Right click
login.
inspect anywhere. Right click
Yeah.
inspect anywhere. Take this arrow mark.
Yeah,
Go
I have
keep it
taken
on
that.
login.
Yeah, I have taken that one. But this coming element not interactable exception occurred.
Give a little bit delay. Implicit veil. Increase it or use JavaScript click for clicking it. That's all. Use JavaScript click. I've taught yesterday. No, use that.
For username also.
Ma'am,
Send keys, ma'am. For username. For username, this one not click, na. This one is send keys.
Click login is click. No. Login is click. No. How do you send keys?
Login is click, ma'am. But the username is not send keys.
Username is in case only. No.
But this one is coming for username.
One second. Let me put on my charger. Otherwise, my system will get out. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Of time.
For ICICI Bank, they won't allow right click to enter the username and password. It will be disabled. Hello?
Tell me. Please tell me.
Ma'am, for ICICI,
Hello?
the username and password button actually, you won't be able to inspect it.
Wait, 1 second, hold on. Where is this login first for ICICI? How do I click on login? Where is it?
1 minute, ma'am.
Tell me where is this login? We will just see what is the scenario, whether it is possible or not possible. I'll tell you. Where is it?
Login is in right side on top. ICICIbank.com.
Late
Wait,
round.
wait, wait.
इसको ठीक है.
ICICIbank.com. Login.
Yeah. Login here. When I send key for username, this exception is coming.
What exception? No, here it's alert is coming. No, it's alert pop-up. You have to see here. It's alert pop-up. You have to handle it.
Okay, so this one also need to handle.
Yes. Otherwise, it will not allow you to wait. One second. Yeah.
me,
No.
ma'am.
Wait. 1 second. Wait. We will write a code. Because when I click on it, pop-up is coming. We will write a program. I'll write a small program.
Yeah.
Others, you guys can live. If it is time up for you guys, you can live. We'll discuss it tomorrow.
Ma'am, normally banks, they won't allow to inspect the username and password elements.
Okay. If right click is not there, we have other option to get the address. There's an option. I've told you when I'm teaching you some Facebook application. I've already told you. Right. I am not depending on right click because banking application will not allow you that. Banking application. So some application will not allow you. Okay. So and some government applications also will not allow you. Now, right click anywhere in such cases. Okay, take this arrow mark and place your cursor on email address. This one. What is
Yes.
there? What is there?
Name.
1 minute. What is there? ID is there.
Name is there, ma'am. Name is there.
ID is there.
Wait.
ID is
I'm
also
checking. No, ID is also there. Name is also there. Anything you take. Now, let's see the behavior of the application. Not click. Oh, are you getting the same thing?
No, ma'am. I am getting this one. I am getting.
No, the page, and what am I getting?
No. I am getting that
Sir,
one username also.
Wait, let me run it again. Array, why am I getting this page? Is the URL is right?
Ma'am, they send key. Oh, I thought. Click.
Wait. Hold on. First, let me open the application. Here, no? Right click, inspect. Hey, wait. Now it is showing something else. Let me fix this.
Ma'am, for username field, you have used click action.
Wait. Click action.
Ma'am.
Oh, first we have to click.
Yes.
First we have to click.
Yeah.
Okay.
Send key.
No. First, you have to click and perform typing. First, you have to click on it and you have to type on it. So, two actions. Let me store it and use it in a reference variable. LE dot. First, let it click on it, then let it type on it. Okay, some name. Wait, we will run this. No, before I run this, I want to check this locator once again. Right click. Oh, right click is not possible. No, inspect. Wait. Take this arrow mark. Inspect it. Here we can go with what locator? Name locator is there. /input @name locator. Let me run the code. Oh, but this is page only is not opening now for me.
I have
Why?
sent my code is sent it on message.
Code, why I want code meant for me? URL is important. No, this URL is only not launching. Application is only
URL
not
is also-
launching. What to do with the code?
You are also there. I am sending that one also. Yeah, I have
There
sent.
will be some security settings to
Not infinity.icici. It is just icicibank.com.
That's what I've given now. It's copied like that.
No, you in the code.
It's launching this taking. Wait, I'm just copying it. Wait, 1 second, wait. Oh, okay, fine. I'll just change it. Hold on. Okay. Let me run now. Oh, now I have to click on login, no? Click on login.
Hmm.
Okay,
Then
so
you
I have to click on login. Oh, wait, I have to write a code to click on login now. I need to click on login. This is by using ID locator. By using ID locator. Now let me type the code. Driver dot find element by ID, paste the value, dot click. So let me run the code. Working now. Abhinav.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
typing now?
Yeah, I was using only send keys, that one. So need
No,
to.
see the action, man. Do it manually. Always you have to do it manually. See how it is working. Depending on the action, then you have to type it. See how it is
Okay.
working. To under content. It is working.
Thanks, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question.
one
It's
doubt.
regarding Snapdeal.com. In that pop-up
Snap-
frame is
Wait.
frame is there.
Snap. Wait, 1 minute. Wait, let me open it. Snapdeal.com. Okay.
Mouse over on sign in, right side is there.
Mouse over on sign in.
Click on login. And then I have to inspect that X element, that cancel.
Cancel. This
Cancel.
one, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Close.
Yes, ma'am. After inspecting, you in the
yeah.
code you have given another element. Just inspect that, ma'am.
आधा घंटा लगा.
You have to type it, then you have to close it. You type the mobile or email
Okay,
address.
correct.
Then you have to switch the pop-up, type
Ma'am,
it,
just
then close
inspect
it.
that. I have a question.
ठीक.
Where?
Divide कर दिया कितना?
Inspect that X.
Now please
Right
move.
click कर.
X,
Inspect that element.
हमारा सामान ला लिया है. सामान
use
दे रहे हैं
that
हमारा.
mute.
Abhinav, please mute yourself.
Ma'am,
अच्छा फॉल्स नहीं है अकान दियो. ये दो मैं.
ma'am, here.
ID is
in
there,
the
no?
code-
Close
ma'am,
pop-up ID.
Actually, ma'am, that line was not highlighted.
It will work, man. See, the simple things, whatever we have already done it in the class,
No,
please don't
no.
ask. Look at the code. You can directly inspect. There's an ID locator, write the program. And it's already written.
आके नंबर हम भेज दे अपन बात कर लेंगे.
Ma'am,
Next.
but when we
Ma'am,
click
I
on
have
that,
shared the correct email ID. Please try once. I want to know how you are in the same screen.
Can you send me the details again?
Yes,
Now
ma'am. I
you
have
send- Now you send me.
ma'am, in that Snapdeal application, when you inspect, whatever the line is highlighted, it is not having that close pop. That text is not there.
Kiran,
You see that.
you go with that. Look at my code once again and do it.
Ma'am, I have seen it, but when we inspect now, after inspecting, it is not showing that close pop. That's why I'm asking. I have
Okay.
checked.
How many?
twice or thrice.
How many it is coming for you? Me? How would? Okay, try with a different browser. That's all. Use a different browser and check.
Okay.
Use a different browser and check. That's all. If it is not coming here, use the thing. See, code is same. Inspection, you can do it in other thing. You can put it in. You can launch it in anything. Okay, you can bring and launch it in anything. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, there are two scroll bar in side scroll, and then in the menu section is also having a scroll in menu.
Where?
side menu. Ma'am, in
where
side
is it?
menu. Go to the dashboard section, and there is a menu section having a scroll bar also.
Where? Dashboard, okay. Then
Ma'am, in that section, the menu is having whole menu having a scroll bar.
where
Whole
is it
menu.
having the scroll bar?
I'm getting a scroll bar in both section, ma'am.
Ankita, tell me where is it telling the see this is what this is a option, right? Where is the scroll
Ma'am.
bar here?
Ma'am, can you please
here,
scroll-
this one you're talking
yes,
about, this one.
yes, ma'am. This is scroll.
What happened to this? Tell me.
Ma'am, how to handle this scroll bar? How to handle this scroll bar? Sorry. My question is that.
This one, listen here. When you open this is you have to use little Ankita. You have to see. We're almost completing a chapter 2. To use. You know manual testing. When you open the application, always when you write a JavaScript executor, this first visible pop-up here, first visible scroll bar is which one? This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
One, right?
By access.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you write JavaScript executor, this will get. Now you look here. Here you have to do mouse overing. You have to take your cursor, mouse over, then only the scroll bar will come. So you have to write
Okay.
again a code for mouse overing. Then again you need
Right.
to scroll this. Same code. Same code is same. Okay.
Java execute.
both
I will use.
Listen. Ankita, listen first. Both the
okay.
pop-up will not come at the same time. It is not coming at the same time. Okay. If it is coming at the same time, then it's a confusion. Which to which one? No, never it will come. Always this one only will come first. Okay. When you take your cursor, mouse over on it, then only this pop-up will come. So same code. Create typecast it only one time. Use that execute script 2 times. But you have to do mouse over, then only you will get the scroll bar. So here one action is there between this thing. Got it?
Okay. Oh, yes, ma'am, I got it.
So if you have multiple this one also, you'll have some actions in between. Okay. If you have like that, then using JavaScript actually it will not recognize. Always the first one it will recognize is this. Always the first one it will recognize is this. Got it?
Yeah, got it, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I have one more
Ma'am,
question.
can I? Ma'am, like you have taught that screenshot, taking screenshot. So like my screenshot is saved, like when I go to right click on the project, it is there in that location, but in the Eclipse left side panel, it is not showing. Why is that?
Refresh. Look at the steps are given. Right click,
And go
refresh,
in
then only
the
you can-
reference section.
Okay, right click, refresh, and only you will be able to see that. Look at the steps, what is given.
Uh-huh.
You have
Okay.
to right click, refresh, then only pop-up will come, else it will not come.
Thank
I have sent you one link. In that link, you can't right click, ma'am, for that HDFC bank.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Right click is not working. Anywhere, nowhere in the page you cannot right click.
No, ma'am.
What's the HDFC application? Huh?
Yeah, I have sent you, ma'am, link.
hdfc.com. Nowhere
Ma'am,
you cannot right click.
I have sent you the link, no, ma'am, on that page only.
One minute,
Yeah,
wait, let me. That too also we have a solution. Oh, you
Here.
cannot perform. This is notification. Give me the URL tomorrow. You cannot perform anywhere right click.
No, ma'am.
Here you have to press in such cases. One second. Control Shift C. You'll get this. You have to press Control Shift C. This you get this. Okay. Now you can take this and inspect anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Take this arrow mark and inspect this home. See, you got the text function home. Okay. Control Shift and C. Pay. You'll get this. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
I have one doubt. Ma'am, when I click on the Eclipse, I'm getting an error message like version 1.8.0 of JVM is not suitable for this product. Version 11 or greater is required. But when I reinstall it, it's working.
Wait. What is not working?
So when I click on the Eclipse, okay, when I try to start launch Eclipse,
Listen. When you are creating a project, here you can select whatever version you want. When you are creating a project, okay, here there's a version. Okay, so don't install anything. Here you can select whatever version you want.
yeah, it's true. I'm telling like I'm not even able to launch it actually. The Eclipse app.
It will not launch.
even
If it
launched.
is not
thrown
supported, it will not. You download a Java which supports your Eclipse. Okay. In that Eclipse, you can
Okay.
choose whichever version of your Java you wanted. So okay, if you're downloading very latest version of Java and it is not supporting this, it will not launch only. Both should be having compatibility issue, or else it will not join.
Okay.
ma'am,
So how can we fix this?
Which one?
ma'am, in pop-up,
So we need to change the Java version of the project. That's the only thing to resolve this.
No. Listen.
I'm telling
Java
about the
keeps
pop-up.
updating. Listen. Java and Eclipse. Listen, guys. Listen, please. Java and Eclipse are two different softwares. Okay, but Eclipse is depending on the version of your Java. So you have to download. If you're downloading very latest version of Java, if Eclipse is not supporting, then you have to check the little bit of Eclipse version it supports Java. Okay, you have to download both of it. Then it should have a compatibility issue. Okay. So here you can modify. You cannot upgrade the version of Java here when you're creating a project, but you can downgrade you can choose the suitable version. Here, like 1.8 you want, 11 you want, like that you can choose it only for that particular project. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
while
got it.
downloading, while downloading the Eclipse, when you're downloading Eclipse, you have to see what is the suitable version Java and you have to download.
Okay.
Ma'am, in that take screenshot method, can we directly use in that if and else statement is there? Now, if the test is failed, then we use that text screenshot. Can we directly take whatever the code is there under that text screenshot and put it in the else block of? Hello. Am I audible? I'm telling is, ma'am, we have studied that text screenshot today. So when the test case gets failed, in that situation only we take the screenshot of the screen. So
That you will learn it in chapter 4. This is just a code to take a screenshot. Test case failed, how to take screenshot, that is in chapter 4 framework. It is not now. It are not taught you. That you will learn it in chapter 4. Okay. So guys, code and notes already pushed. Let's catch up tomorrow and let's continue. Start doing the practice. Keep practicing till then. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.